I won a custom dress form. This is exciting. I will be unboxing my award from the Cosplay Tutorial Challenge. The Cosplay Tutorial Challenge is a contest for cosplay tutorials. So not for cosplays, but for cosplay tutorial content, which you enter, and then they have prizing. It's their third year that they have run. I actually did apply the very first year they ran, and I did win with my crutch covers tutorial. I got like some paints and stuff. This year is their third year, and they've really upped their prizing game. They have so much more in prizing than they did that first year, so I was like, I'm just gonna give it a try. So I entered my wheelchair wings tutorial, and I won Organizer's Choice. So if you haven't seen that video, it's a tutorial about how to make wheelchair adapted cosplay wings, how to design and attach and create cosplay wings for your wheelchair. Let's open our dress form. I'm a little bit scared because this is very small and very, very light. And I have a hard time believing there's a whole dress form in this box. This couldn't possibly be the whole dress form, could it? No, Oh, know what? You know what this is, guys? I think this is just the padding system, which is cool, but this is not a dress form. So, I guess I will stop the video here, and I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys when I have an actual dress form. Well, now I just feel kind of silly. This is the size of a package for a custom dress form. This is the Fabulous Fit dress form in a size 2. Fabulous Fit is not affiliated with the contest that I won. As far as I know, it was First Stop Cosplay that footed the bill for this dress form to be sent to me. So, it is getting so crowded with all the dolls up here that sometimes I just move and dolls come cascading down. Okay, so the first thing is packaging. The next thing I want to show you is more packaging. Oh! New dress form! Arms! They're arms! So this giant box that I just dumped on the floor says fragile on it. That's a good sign. I believe this is the base of the dress form. And this is pretty hefty. It has little wheels on it. Unfortunately, both of my craft rooms are carpet, so I'm not sure if I'll put the wheels on the dress form. But I do have, oh, it's heavy. Oh boy. I made my husband carry the box in here, and I could have put together in my brain that meant I'd probably need his help assembling it, but I also happen to be very stubborn. Oh my gosh! Ah! We also have this thing. A spring! A spring. So I will want to adjust this height so that it is at my seated height, because I do almost all of my cosplay work sitting down. Oh no. No. Watch out! She's armed. Oh man, I'm funny. Okay, so as far as I can tell, like I'm assuming this is how this works, is you just like pin the arms on. Here we have both lovely ladies, so I can do a little comparison. This, for reference, is the Amazon, like, cheapest adjustable dress form. I want to say $50. It's the only dress form on Amazon that is this very distinct shade of green. And I've been using Gertrude since 2020, maybe. The times before the dress form were dark days indeed. especially since at this point I've pretty much given up commercial patterns and I do draping for a lot of my cosplays. So Dressform is really, really helpful for that. You can lay the fabric over the Dressform and make a pattern. And what I need from you guys, if you'd be willing to help, is a name for our new Dressform. If you have a nice name to suggest, I'd kind of like to keep with the theme of kind of older style feminine names like Gertrude. Maybe this can be Matilda, I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think the new Dressform should be named. So looking at the size difference, you can see this one's quite a bit smaller. With Gertrude, I was drafting the pattern and fitting it to Gertrude, and then I'd have to do a second round of fitting on myself because this Dressform cannot go down to my size. For reference, I have a 25-inch waist, and I have not been able to find any cheap adjustable Dressforms that will go down to a 25-inch waist. So, with every garment I've created for you guys for the last 4 years, I have made it on this Dressform, then done a whole second round of fitting to get it down to my size. This is going to be much better size-wise, and you'll notice that this Dressform has the dials to adjust the size. The new one does not, and that is where we actually get to use the padding package that I opened up earlier. This all is supposed to be able to go onto the Dressform. I'm not sure what this is. Is this a butt? I think this is a butt. It's supposed to be able to go onto the Dressform and pad it up. So I do know with the size 2, I need to pad up, I think, the hips and the bust a little bit. So that's what this padding is for. You stick it on whatever needs to be bigger, and then they have a cover that you put over that. So I think I will play with that a bit later. That's pretty boring. According to their advertisements, this should be able to get me all the way up to a size 4 if I would like. Sneak peek, my next build I'm debuting is Cleo Denial, but you can see on Gertrude, it doesn't zip up. So this is made to my size and it doesn't fit Gertrude anymore. It fits! Look, it zips all the way up. It actually looks like it fits correctly from the front. This is really exciting to have a Dressform that goes down to my little size. If you would like to know poor Gertrude's fate, it's actually not so bad. We are in the second craft room, and I have a little dolly corner for my American Girl dolls now. Just wanted to share that. Anyways, this is my Her Universe fashion show build from 2021. And this is an outfit that cannot be hung up. So for the last 4 years, she's been draped over a vacuum cleaner. So now Gertrude holds the Carmen Sandiego coat. This is what Gertrude's gonna do now. Let me know in the comments what I should name the new Dressform. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video. Bye!